Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Today I am taking you to a very special place, the Dashera Mela in Dugri, Ludhiana. But wait, there is one big surprise about this Mela, something we never expected. Stay tuned till the end to know what it is. For now, here is a quick glimpse of the whole Mela, the rides, the stalls, the games, the food. So today we plan to visit the Shara Fair. We were confused whether to go Jamalpur or to the racy ground in Ludhiana. So last time we visited Jamalpur and also visited the racy. So this time we decided or we choose to go to Dugri in Ludhiana based on someone's recommendation. The parking here cost 100 rupees and the entry ticket is 30 rupees per person. Children below 3 years are free, but above 3 the charges are same as adults. As soon as we entered, the first surprise was the neat and cleanness of the Mela campus. Usually when we go to Melas, we see lot of dust and dirt, but here the campus was really neat and well organized. Every year we celebrate Dashera also called Vijayadashmi. It marks the victory of Lord Ram over Ravana. So it symbolizes the trump of good over evil, truth over lies, and righteousness over arrogance. Every year, huge effigies of Ravana, Meghnad, Kumbhakaran are burned to remind us that no matter how powerful evil becomes, truth and godness will always win. This festival also teaches us about values from the Ramayana, respecting parents, keeping promises, standing for justice, and living with courage. And with these thoughts, we moved ahead into the Mela. We moved on to different rides, different stalls. There was so much to see and enjoy. The Mela had many rides from giant wheel to small kids ride. My son had a great time. He especially loved jumping on the bouncing castle filled with air. That excitement on his face was priceless. We also explored different stalls, toys, clothes, food, and games. One game that I tried was the ring game. In just 50 rupees, I got 6 rings. The challenge was to throw the ring onto one item. If it landed perfectly, that item would be mine. And by sheer luck, I actually won 100 rupees from this game. It was so much fun, and my son enjoyed that moment a lot. I also tried the pistol shooting stall where you have to take aim and hit the target, and it really tested my focus and added the excitement of the evening. We also entered the Bhoot Bangla. It was dark, spooky, and full of scary characters, but all in good fun. After that, we couldn't resist the food stall, pakoda, and crispy jalebi added the perfect flavor to our Mela experience. And now, the surprise I mentioned earlier, this was a Dashera Mela, but guess what? There was no Ravan. Yes, no Ravan, no Meghnad, no Kumbhakaran effigies at all. My son was so curious and excited to see Ravana, but we were shocked to see that here in Dugri Mela there was no burning of effigies. It was a Dashera fair without Ravan, something very unique and unexpected for us. But still, overall, the experience was wonderful from the clean campus, the rides, the game, the Bhoot Bangla, to the delicious food. Everything was memorable. Finally, we returned home with lot of happiness and memory. Friends, Dashera remind us that no matter how difficult times are, truth and godness will always prevail. I hope you enjoyed this journey with me at the Dugri Dashera Mela. If you have any query related to this place, you can, and if you have also visited this place, then do mention in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Take care.